to give it a try at home. Now the thing is, I know a lot of people saying, "Oh, it's only Jamaican alone make this kind of drink." No, a lot of different kind of people make them. All right, here's my bowl right there, which I'm going to be using. All right, let's go a little bit closer. Beautiful. All right, now you guys can see exactly what's going on. All right, them saying it's only Jamaican alone make this kind of punch and all these kind of things and things and things. Them saying all different kind of stuff about this kind of punch. But to be honest with you, it's not only Jamaican, you know. A lot of people all over the world make it. You know what I mean? This kind of drink. All right, but I'm going to give you a quick update on the peanut punch recipe from Chef Ricardo today. I did the video yesterday on part 1 of this recipe. All right. And I decided to give you another part 2 of this another amazing recipe from Chef Ricardo. So basically, guys, please stay tuned in, and you know what I mean, as I said, subscribe is also very important. Follow me on my Instagram and my Facebook page, hashtag Chef Ricardo Cooking. Alright? We try our best to give you some of the most beautiful recipe you could ever think of in this whole entire world. Alright? Now the thing is, why is only Jamaican alone making this kind of drink? That's the question I'm asking. A lot of people might have said, no, it's not Jamaican alone, different people. Yes, we all know. But Pacific Jamaican, them always making peanut punch, all different kind of punch. So the question is, why only Jamaican make this punch? Now, quarter cups of peanut, that's what we're going to do. We got some redless peanut, guys. If you missed the video, there is more video will be coming. Alright, we got quarter cups of the peanut right there, as you can see. The peanut is just one of those one they want to use at home. Alright? Yeah. It's just one of those kind of recipe which you decide to use at home in your kitchen. Alright, now the thing is, I'm going to be showing you exactly how to make this on an amazing peanut punch today from Chef Ricardo. It's a new recipe for me, and a lot of people will be doing it. Yesterday we did that punch recipe, and a lot of people were saying, oh, Chef Ricardo, do the peanut one, do the peanut one. Alright, I'm going to give you a little quick update on the peanut one. How you guys can also do the peanut one at home and it come out lovely and nice. Alright, beautiful recipe. Stay tuned in, don't go anywhere. Watch the video, because this video going to be a video you don't need to miss. You need to watch it. So first of all, quarter cups of redless peanut into your blender. Alright? Redless peanut, that's what you want to use. Okay? Secondly, what we're going to do, I'm going to show you exactly what you need to do. Get some, I'm going to make a proper punch for you where you can, you know what I mean, drink at home. Alright, get some Guinness, and you put a roughly about quarter cups of Guinness inside of it. Alright, that's going to help to free up the blender and make the blender proper freely. Alright? So, what you want to do, you want to blend out this peanut first. Alright? So that's what we're going to do. We're going to blend the peanut for about 2 to 3 seconds. Alright? So, oh man, wow. Alright. The thing is, well, a lot of people doesn't know, when you blend peanut really finely, it's supposed to be like this. It's gonna come out and look like peanut butter. Alright, because it wasn't like a lot of liquid inside of it, alright? Yeah. That's perfect. Perfect. Look at that. So you tick. So that's what you want to do. The first thing is blend the peanut and get the peanut out of the way. And once you get the peanut out of the way, trust me, you're gonna see how it look. Alright. Once you blend the peanut, like this, you are good to go. Now, some more ingredients which you need to put inside of it. Alright, so basically, I have this thing where they call peanut punch. I brought it into the supermarket and I used a little bit of it yesterday. So this is some peanut punch right here. That's the one I brought in the shop. So I'm going to just put that inside of it like this. Alright. Now what I'm going to do next, I'm going to put a little bit of nutriment. Just a little bit inside of it, alright? Fantastic and amazing, guys. What I'm going to do is just pour, because I don't want to be having too much liquid inside of it. And then I can't get to blend it away. So I just pour off a little bit of that. So basically, hopefully you guys can see. Here it is. Alright. So we got some peanut punch. We got some nutriment inside of it. And that's the way it look. Alright, so far. So we don't finish it, you know, guys. Stay where you are and watch the video. Alright, this is like something where you want to try at home. You know what I mean? As Chef Ricardo find a new recipe, you know, you always have to share it. Because you guys have to learn new ideas, alright? Now, we're going to put some cinnamon inside of it. Cinnamon is very good for you. That's cinnamon. Cinnamon is very good for you. Anytime you're cooking and you have cinnamon in it, expect you will get weight loss. Alright? It's very good for you. Alright, we're going to put some mixed spice in it. We're going to put a pinch of mixed spice, alright? Mixed spice is very good for you also, alright? So guys, that's all the recipe which I've been using right so far. Secondly, we're going to put some Jamaican nutmeg egg inside of it. And these are eye measurement, roughly about half teaspoon. Beautiful and nice. All of the natural ingredients them is inside of it. Alright? Secondly, what we're going to do, we're going to get roughly about a tablespoon of sweet condensed milk inside of it. Alright? That's eye measurement again. That is lovely and delicious. Now what we're going to do, we're going to put roughly about a tablespoon of Jamaican oats inside of it. Oh my God, look at that, man. You don't want to be drinking this during the day. Alright guys, it's very dangerous. Alright. So, as you can see exactly what's going on right here. We're going to put some Jamaican vanilla inside of it. Roughly about a tablespoon of Jamaican vanilla inside of it. So that's the vanilla. We just put it in. So guys, write down the ingredients then. Alright. And please don't come back and say Chef Ricardo, you will show me the ingredients. Alright. And if you're not drive, what you can do is just put a teaspoon of Jamaican white rum in it. Just a little pinch of the whole good Royal Navy inside of it. Alright? Just to wake you up. Alright, now let's blend it. Alright, we're going to blend this now and see the result after. Beautiful one. Ah, man, yeah. Let's take a look at this and an amazing drink which we are making right here. It's supposed to be a peanut punch, you know, remember. Alright? So basically, you saw it a little bit runny. So what we want to do is just pour off a little bit of the liquid. Alright? So we're going to put in a little bit of more oats inside of it to give it a little bit more body. So roughly you can put another 2 tablespoons of oats. And that will give it a lovely body, what you're looking for. Alright? So we're going to blend this one another 2 to 3 seconds. And you will get a perfect body. let's take another look at it again and see where we are. Alright, because alright. Perfect. So you don't want it too thick and you don't want it too runny, because the oats will continue to thicken it and the peanut. So you just want it at a perfect body like this. Let's taste this and see where we are. Perfect, guys. Perfect, 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 perfect. 100% perfect. I don't need to go any further with it. I'm telling you right there, it is perfect. Alright? One thing I would say to you, you can add any kind of more ingredients you like to add to this drink right here, and you will see exactly what I'm talking about. You can add egg magnum, whatever you want to add to it, what makes you happy and make you comfortable. So basically, look at that. Alright, that's exactly what I'm talking about. That's the punch right there. Beautiful peanut punch recipe. You can use a lot peanut, but you don't want to overpower it too much with too much peanut. So you just want to keep it that kind of way. Alright, and when you happen, look at that. Beautiful mix with, you know what I mean, that you can see. So basically, what's gonna happen, it will continue. So nice. It will continue to get thick with the oats, because you know the oats is inside of it to give it a little bit of body and thing. Alright, I put another video link in the description box, the one I made yesterday. You know what I mean, that one was amazing also. It's a beautiful one yesterday I did made. So yeah, here it is. I go one more time again in the kitchen with Chef Ricardo with another one, which you guys definitely can see how to make that an amazing punch recipe. Alright, so basically it's coming up to summer and a lot of people are gonna be home, wanna do something with their time. This come in really handy and an amazing recipe for you to make at home. Beautiful recipe, fantastic, the flavor, the taste and the whole texture, it is amazing. Alright, yeah, so as you can see, one more time in the kitchen with another one. And also guys, remember, you know what I mean, I've been doing that on an amazing drink recipe over the last couple of days. So basically I might just flash into it now and give you one of those recipes which you guys need to make. As we say, we've been doing it over the last couple of days and a lot of people like it. Alright, but if you like the recipe of the punch, please subscribe to the YouTube channel, join the YouTube membership and support Chef Ricardo, because we have a lot more recipe coming and a lot more ideas. Alright guys, beautiful one, as you can see for yourself. And you know, remember we got the coconut ice cream coming up. I'm going to show you how to make the coconut ice cream also. Alright, Teacher P, good morning. We got Nicole, good afternoon. I don't see Matt. I see Chef Andrew, big up yourself. Thank you so much for coming on the show. Really appreciate it. Alright, thank you so much guys. And as I said, that's the punch where you can give it a nice, lovely try at home. Alright, try the punch and tell me exactly what do you think about this and an amazing recipe today from Chef Ricardo. Alright guys, beautiful one. And also, not only that guys, I have another recipe which I now want to share with you most of the time. I always say to you, you can also try this one. So basically when you're at home, you know what I mean, you want to do something different, that come in really handy. Alright, so it's supposed to be a 10 minutes recipe, because we don't want to drag out the video too much, because there's a lot of people going to work and a lot of people got things doing. So it's supposed to be like a 10 minutes video, but all the way are gone over probably about an hour now. So yeah, we don't want to keep the video too long. We just want to keep it like 10 to 15 minutes, which is really good. Alright, so follow me on Instagram and my Facebook page. My name is Chef Ricardo. I try my best to give you some of the most beautiful recipes in the world. And if you didn't subscribe, please subscribe to the YouTube channel and leave your comments in the description box. Please tell a friend and a friend tell a friend. Tell a neighbor, your family and your friend them and say, listen, check out Chef Ricardo YouTube channel. Alright guys, and not only that, remember to check out the Caribbean Fusion Sauce and Spice website. They have a lot of gift sets and a lot of stuff over there on the Caribbean website. Alright guys, on my Facebook, on my Instagram page, if you're not following Chef Ricardo, please follow Chef Ricardo. M&M Crazy. I want the recipe. I love the punch. And I will thank you, chef, before. Alright. Thank you. Welcome, man. Don't worry yourself. Thank you so much for, coming on the show and support. So, guys, remember, all my Instagram audience, please come on my YouTube channel and support Chef Ricardo, alright? On the cooking show, guys. Alright? That's where you need to come and support Chef Ricardo, alright? Yeah. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned in, and we're not going to go too much into it. We're just going to keep it simple, spicy, and, and delicious, alright? Nice recipe, but too much of what though? Van Dam or Van or Volley. Nice recipe, but too much of what now? It's a little bit of everything in the punch. Just a little bit of everything. The punch is a simple little punch recipe where you can make at home. Alright, not everyone gonna find all of those kind of ingredients. You don't have to add my kind of ingredients which I use, alright? You can add a little bit of whatever you want to add into your punch and make your punch, It's just ideas of my punch. So if you're at home and you feel like you want to make a peanut punch, you can use bay peanut. You don't have to add oats. You don't have to add these Guinness and Nutriment and all these things which I just add. You can add your kind of ingredients where you want to add. But if you're at home and you got certain kind of ingredients, you can use it. Just like how I have my kind of ingredients, I just use that and just make up something. But not everyone gonna have my kind of ingredients which I have. Alright, but as I say, if you're at home and you want to make a little punch or something and you find yourself with few ingredients in your fridge and you got the peanut in your cupboard, make some punch or some peanut porridge, The next one I'm gonna make is a straight peanut porridge without any oats, anything inside of it. It's gonna be straight peanut porridge. That video will be coming very soon. We got coconut ice cream video coming up next. And also we got the Guinness ice cream coming up next. So look forward for the Guinness ice cream. JR 2012. This looking really good, bro. Alright, thank you so much for that one. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned in. God bless you. And we love every one of you guys. And I will see you in the next chapter with Chef Ricardo. Please follow me on Instagram and my Facebook page. Alright? It's a beautiful recipe and I will encourage you guys.